we've got banana clip. Hey, people they are saying, guys, okay, want to know about banana. Some people they're just like, what is banana? What was she trying to say about banana clip? People they say, is it a banana or is it not? Maybe someone just watch a banana clip. For those who didn't watch banana clip, I will actually come next week with a banana, and then so that you remember what I'm talking about. Today I forgot my banana. I'm very sorry, but I just want you to guys to know that I'm still there, and I still remember that you want to know about banana. It's just a banana. A banana is a fruit, not whatever people they are saying. It's not banana. He was not talking about banana. I don't for you. I don't for you. I do bread. It's banana. How to eat banana? It's a fruit. That's my favorite fruit, banana. I like banana so much, but I've got a limit. Yeah, you have to have a limit with fruit. Before I go, I just want to explain about fruits also, and then next week, remember next week I'm coming with a banana. Okay, right? Banana, even fruit like apple, even any fruit. Some people they say I eat fruit after food. I think you are wrong. I think you are wrong. You eat fruit before you eat food because it needs to flow in your blood. So if you mix food after 5 minutes, you eat fruit. No, you eat your fruit 30 minutes after. That's when you eat your fruit. Isn't it so? I'm advising you guys, those who want fruit, they say I eat fruit after food. No, you eat fruit before food. 30 minutes after food. 30 minutes before food, I'm sorry. Then you eat your fruit. After 30 minutes, you eat your fruit. Because that fruit we need it to flow in your blood. You see? Me, I like banana so much. I just one banana after 30 minutes. My food. I like banana. Thank you so much for watching my television Sights and Sounds. It's our TV session. Subscribe. Thank you for supporting me. I'm still here there. I love you so much, you guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you.